Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I will introduce you to the Infiniti Q50. Enjoy watching. Exterior. The 2023 Q50 features a sleek and sporty exterior design, with a new front grille and LED headlights. It also has a redesigned rear bumper, new LED taillights, and dual exhaust tips. The car is available in several colors, including dynamic sunstone red, grand blue, and majestic white. Interior. Inside, the 2023 Q50 boasts a luxurious cabin with premium materials, including leather seats and wood accents. The car has a 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system, which includes Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. It also has a 16-speaker Bose audio system, a panoramic moonroof, and a variety of driver assistance features, such as adaptive cruise control and blind spot monitoring. Engine and performance. The 2023 Q50 comes with two engine options. The base engine is a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder that produces 268 horsepower and 280 lb-ft of torque. The second engine option is a twin-turbocharged 3.0-liter V6 that puts out 400 horsepower and 350 lb-ft of torque. Both engines are paired with a 7-speed automatic transmission, and all-wheel drive is available as an option. In terms of performance, the Q50 delivers impressive acceleration and handling, particularly with the more powerful V6 engine. The car can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just over 5 seconds with the V6 engine, and it handles curves and corners with ease. Other features. Additional features of the 2023 Q50 include a new digital rearview mirror, heated front seats, and a power-adjustable driver's seat. The car also has a new optional package called the Sensory Package, which adds features such as heated and ventilated front seats, a heated steering wheel, and an advanced climate control system. Overall, the 2023 Infiniti Q50 is a stylish and powerful luxury sedan that offers a comfortable and high-tech driving experience. If you liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe.